What's up, guys? Today we are looking at this. It is made by Kobe. It is a silicone watch band and it is 18 millimeters in width, and it comes with the pins, and it comes like this wrap here. You can get it in an assortment of colors. I just got mine black with a black buckle, so this will be replacing a strap for my watch. Oh, it says 18 millimeters there. That's quite kind of handy as well. And okay, there we go. I think it's universal. You can put it on either way. Oh no, you'll have to, there's the handy switch here for pulling back the pin so you can put it in your watch. These two, I guess clasps, rubber clasps, are separated. The buckle here looks like it's just coated, will probably scratch, but the material is very, very like a phone case, a rubber phone case. I don't know how long this will last. Hopefully it should be okay. So just some details on it. I got this for about €5 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. It comes in loads of colors. It comes in 20 millimeters and 22 millimeters in length. It is okay. The wrist length, I did not know that, but it covers 5.8 inches to 8 inches. So the whole strap, I guess, going from biggest to smallest, which is 147 millimeters to 203 millimeters. And the strap length, the long one, is 124 millimeters, and the short strap is 75 millimeters. Anything else? It's basically, yeah, it's a decent enough one. So you may have seen my Timex Expedition in past videos, and I used this Surfer's Velcro strap. It is very lightweight and handy, but the problem is that it gets dirty. So I'll need to remove this. Okay, there's one. I'm just using my fingernails, but obviously you can use tools. But the good thing about this one is that you don't need any tools. Now I just got to figure out. It is this way, isn't it? We'll see. Okay, so this goes into, okay. Houston, we have a problem here. But is it possible to remove these so I can put in my own ones? So I guess this watch is 20 millimeters. That's my mistake. If I can't get this out, I will get a replacement in the correct size. But we'll see. We can pull this out. So the problem is just getting this slide mechanism out of the way. I'm sure there's a way to, because the silicone is very bendy. I should have measured my watch first. You know what they say, measure twice, cut once when it comes to carpentry. I didn't measure it all, so yes, I can take it out. Woohoo! So I just used the originals. The strap will be a little skinny looking, but not a problem. Okay. The Amazon return policies are pretty good, so I'm pretty sure I'll be confident in getting a replacement if needed. Not bad. Let's try this one. Okay. There we go. Looks pretty good. Let's try it on. It is correct. I only know by the feel, like when I do the watch up. It's a bit tight. Very finicky, but these clasps and this strap probably won't move. There we go. My watch. The light working? Oh yeah, I'm in full light, so. Okay. So there we have it, guys. That is the Kobe wristwatch strap. Very cheap and does the job. Time will tell how long it will last, but definitely good for, you know, spillages, or if you have a waterproof watch. This is a 50-meter waterproof watch if you like swimming, or, you know, you like to, you know, do water sports and things like that. It's very handy. All right, remember to like, share, subscribe, and join us on Discord. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.